mini open rim toilet flushing. Alright, there we go. That failed. Let's try a grocery bag. Fail again. It passed with help. Okay, now I'll fill my bucket up and I'll be back with a paint test. Okay, I'm back with the paint test. It looks like some toxic fluid, but here we go. Flush. Oh shit. My paint, it tipped over on me. That sucks. It's fine though. I'll just have to hold it. Hold it from the bottom. So I think it may be stopped up on something. I'm not sure. No, I don't think it is. It's just being stubborn today. Alright, we're gonna test this black fluid inside of this. It's very black, but who gives a darn? Push it back to the camera. Alright, here is one more flush. And it tipped over again. That was great. That's awesome. Alright, well that's all for this stubborn toilet. Here's a side view of it. It's a very nice toilet. It's a very good looking toilet. See ya.